7 early warning signs of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia. It is a progressive brain disease that often destroys the thinking and memory skills of older people. This disease knows no boundaries. Its effects can devastate many families around the globe. Countries like Turkey, Libya, Lebanon, and Finland have the most cases of Alzheimer's disease around the world. In this video, I will share warning signs that you should watch out for to help protect you and senior members of your family. Although there is currently no cure for Alzheimer's disease, there are plenty of benefits in diagnosing it early. Whether it happens with you or a family member, early diagnosis will help you manage the fear and confusion associated with the illness. Plus, you will get access to professional help as well as any treatments available to manage the symptoms. Here are 7 early warning signs of Alzheimer's disease that should prompt you to seek medical help as soon as possible. 1. Becoming increasingly forgetful. When you have Alzheimer's disease, most of your struggles will involve your memory. You will find that you become very forgetful. You will struggle to remember dates and appointments. Often, you will also forget the information you have just been told or things you have just done. Your forgetfulness could be progressive, or it could happen intermittently. 2. Difficulty with familiar tasks. People with Alzheimer's disease might have a hard time completing even the tasks that they do every day. They might forget how to go to a place they often visit, or cook a meal they usually prepare. Others might even forget where to find their things in their own home. 3. Struggling to communicate. Conversations can be tricky when you have Alzheimer's disease. You might start calling things using the wrong names, or struggle to remember the right words to use. Accessing your vocabulary might become challenging, and so communicating your thoughts could be a real struggle. That difficulty could be frustrating and could discourage you from trying. 4. Misplacing objects. People who have Alzheimer's disease often struggle with misplacing things. They unintentionally leave their personal items in unusual places. For example, leaving their phone in the freezer, placing a kettle in the bathroom, putting car keys in the fruit basket. Accusing others of stealing misplaced items is also a common sign of the disease. 5. Having vision problems. Vision problems are typical among Alzheimer's disease patients, but it is often mistaken simply for a common sign of aging, and so do not prompt them to seek medical attention. People with Alzheimer's might have trouble reading texts, identifying colors, and judging distance. That could lead to accidents like car scrapes, tripping, or falling over. 6. Showing poor judgment. When you have Alzheimer's disease, your decision-making skills might be compromised. You might spend money frivolously or make unreasonable life-changing decisions. Sometimes you exhibit poor judgment in seemingly inconsequential things like your outfit choices or grooming habits. Many Alzheimer's patients stop grooming entirely, possibly because they struggle with daily routines, or they decide they do not want to groom themselves anymore. 7. Drastic personality changes. Memory, vision, and cognition problems can bring confusion and anxiety to an individual, especially in the early stages of Alzheimer's disease. There is a huge emotional and mental burden that comes with this illness, and mood swings can become frequent. This is one of the most challenging parts of the disease because it can alienate them from their family and careers. These 7 early warning signs of Alzheimer's disease might seem like a natural part of aging, but if you or a loved one experiences several or all of these symptoms, the best thing to do is seek professional advice. Alzheimer's is a progressive disease, and it is best to know how to manage it early on. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.